In this video, we will show you how to convert HAIC to JPG on Windows. We know that HAIC is a file extension usually used on iPhone. From the newest iPhone, we can see from iPhone 13 in here using HAIC extension file with the image, and this is very large image. You can actually easily convert these HAIC files to JPG using this software on Windows. Just open imazing.com/converter here. Then you can download the software. In here, you need to select download for PC. Okay. Save in here. Then you can start installing the converter programs. Okay. Click accept for the license. And you can also create a shortcut on desktop if you want, but I don't want to create a shortcut. Just install and launch the converter here. Okay, and this is the software. Now we can easily just click file in here and select open files. Okay, I will point into my HAIC files from iPhone wallpaper. Okay, in here I click two files, number 1 and number 5, and click open. And in here you need to select what profile or format you want. For example, I want to convert into JPG, or you can select PNG file in here. Just click convert in here and look at your folder. Okay, this is the folder destination. Where is the JPG file stored? I want to in the same folder here, and click OK. Okay, the program don't want to select the same directory, so let's select another directory here. For example, just in the main folder, and click OK. And in here we can click show files, and voila, this is the result. The file has been converted, and you can using the JPG files on web version or Windows. And it's very easy. You can also, if don't want install the application, just using HIC to JPG converter using hic to jpg.com. Just click these files and point into your HIC files, for example here. But this is require internet connection. I suggest you can just using imazing.com. Okay, and you can get the link on pinned comments for this software. And in here we can just download the result, and we can save, for example, in here. And nothing different, but the best is using iMazing converter software. It's free. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to convert HIC extensions file to JPG files on Windows operating system. Hope this video helpful for you.